What's up, everybody? It's your boy Neft. I just went to Target today. Got myself 3 of these, and I'm gonna do an unboxing of them. See if I get the ones I like. So, the one I really like is that guy. The gamer dude and the pizza guy. Yeah, those are the three of the best ones. So far I've only got the furry one, but let's see what I get today. Okay, let me just open this one first. Okay, let's see what we get. Oh, your boy got the gamer. Well, let me assemble them real quick. Alright, everybody, this is what the gamer looks like. That's him. Let's see if I can focus. There we go. So far, I'm happy. Let's see if we can get the pizza guy. If we get the pizza guy, ooh, we golden boys. So let me get this out of the way. Okay, we got that open. Let's see what we got. Oh, well, you know what? This is not an L. This is not a W. It's just it's mediocre. We got the mummy, so it's okay. Yeah, sorry if I sound weird. I'm a little sick today. But yeah, let's see if I can focus. That's a happy face. The other side is it's a girl for some reason. Oh, they're both girls. Okay. Yeah, let's just keep the golden one. Okay, everybody, this is what the girl looks like. The mummy. I'm gonna try to focus. The camera sucks. All right, here we go. We'll put it right next to the gamer right here. Okay. And put this aside. Alright, last one, boys. This is the one. I'm feeling lucky on this one. Okay. Let's open this up. Okay. Moment of truth, boys. Woo! What is it? Dude, I literally have this one already, dude. Now I have 2 furries, bro. What the heck? Bro, I literally had 2. Oh. Bro, I am so pissed right now. Dude, why do I have 2 furries? Dude, what the hell? Bro, they seriously... I literally wasted like $6 on these 2 figures. What the hell, dude? Even my dog looks disappointed. Look at her. She looks... Hold on. You zoom in on that face. Okay, so I just took a minute, but looks like this is what we got from our haul. We got the furry, we got the mummy, and we got the gamer. I think the gamer is major W. The furry is definitely a major L, but at least this furry, my old furry, has a friend. So, and now I have 2 chickens. So I guess that's the good side of this. But anyways, if you guys want to see more unboxings of these Lego minifigures, I'm probably not gonna buy any more of these, to be honest. I'm probably gonna wait until the next wave comes out. But make sure to leave a like, subscribe for more, and peace.